Hey everyone, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to present the link in front of you. So we are Link, and we are simplifying blockchain gaming to onboard the next billion users in Web3. Now the biggest question is how we are doing this when we have like so many problems already, and some of those problems we have encountered in 2021, and those are Number one, gamers onboarding is complex, and it is like a totally buskill experience when I have to set up a couple of wallets to just play a game. Second thing, difficult integration. We have to game developers spend at least like 4 to 6 months of timeline to like write a smart contract, optimize a smart contract, audit the smart contract, and make it compatible for their Web3 games. And third is disjointed users experience. Right now, gamers have to leave their have to leave the gaming environment to play a Web3 game because they have to do the transactions, right? So to solve this issue, we came up with three solutions. And with these three solutions, game developers can 100x their development speed. And those solutions are number one, onboard gamers without affecting gaming experience. So we do have the SDKs, which allows gamers to log in via social, like Google, Facebook, or any other existing wallet. For example, OSS wallet, Xpla wallet, and they can just like log in via that, and they can do the transactions via their smart contract wallet. Second, easy Unity and Unreal SDK integration. So this allows any game developer to integrate our Web3 elements like in-game marketplace, account abstraction, dynamic NFT assets, and so on. But the best part is game developers do not need to have knowledge of Web3 stack. They can just focus on their game development, and rest we can actually handle by the SDK. And still, they are owning, like they are owning the smart contract completely. And third is uninterrupted gaming experience. So we have created the infrastructure which is enabling in-game smart contract interactions without leaving the gaming environment. So that is how we are solving. Let me tell you like how what we have like built for the beyond boundaries. First, one-click integration of Axpla and OSS in any game. The best part is like you do not have to like worry about how to do it. I can actually like show you that how we will be like doing it. Second thing, enable in-game smart contract transactions in one click. And third, integrate in-game marketplace and enable buy sell NFT as in-game assets on-chain to unlock on-chain game economy. Now, why it is important? Because we have seen the era of PFP, we have seen the era of JPEG, but we haven't seen the era of in-game assets as NFT, which has more tangible value. Now, let me show you the live demo that how things are happening. So in front of you, this is a completely Web2 game with no Web3 element added. Now, what I'll do is I'll just click on asset, click on import package, custom package, and click on link Axpla OSS SDK. Once I do that, it will gonna ask me to import a couple of files and folders. Let me just click on import. Now it is importing the SDK, and while it is importing, there are like two major things are happening. First, the wallet integration, and second, the in-game marketplace, which allows people to like minting, listing, and buy sell of the in-game assets, and how it can actually like done within the game ecosystem. So you can see like it has already been integrated, and if I go to the scene, click on connect wallet. Now MetaMask wallet is over here, but with us, we are like adding the support of a wallet connect SDK as well, and which allows anyone to log in with any wallet. The best part is if you click on interface, you can see Xpla mainnet, Xpla testnet, and Oasis mainnet is over here. So right now I'm actually like live on Xpla testnet. If I want to like switch to Oasis mainnet, just like one click, I'm over here, right? And that is like one of the process to onboard the users via one of the existing wallet. Second part is like if I click on marketplace, and if I click over here, so this is the UI which is completely customizable according to the game. Second thing, if you can see like the contract address. So let's say like if game developers have a contract already, so they can actually like paste the contract, which allows them to attach their existing in-game assets to their NFTs, right? And if they do not have the contract, then what we can do is we do have the link NFT deployer, which allows easy conversion of in-game assets as NFT in just a couple of seconds. So you can see like you can just like add all the details, contract name, symbol, choose the chain. Soon Oasis and Axpla will be like over here, and then choose the type ERC721A 1155 token URI, maximum mint allowed per users, maximum supply, and the cost. You can also like add the whitelist user at the same time, and you can actually like deploy on Goerli or like on any chain, and then you can actually just add the contract address over here, and you can actually get the things going. To save time, we have like build this whole game. You can see you can actually go over here and you can actually like build. We have already like built the game, and here's the quick overview of this. If I just like show you, so you can see like right now, uh, this is how the whole thing looks like. When you like click on the asset, it will gonna like allow you to buy, and then you can actually like buy the assets, and it will gonna like do the transactions, allow you to like do the transactions within the game ecosystem. And then you can also go to the owned NFT. If it is not showing, then you can actually like refresh it and choose the in-game assets as an NFT and click on select. Once you click on select, you can see like now your asset is live in the game for action, and now you can actually go to the moon and beyond, even in the bear market. So that is like one thing. And you must be thinking that what's next, right? So I'm actually like presenting one of our upcoming features, that on-chain transactions on your fingerprint, allowing any game developers or any gamers to do the transactions with their fingerprints or their facial ID. And to show that, you can see like over here, you just have to like write your name. Once you like write your name, it will gonna like allow you to create a smart contract wallet via your fingerprint, and then you can actually just write your name again, approve the approve your verification, and then you can actually like deploy your smart contract with your fingerprint. And this is the whole Ethereum scan where things are happening. So this is how we will be like onboarding, and that's how like Link is going beyond boundaries to onboard the next billion gamers. And when it comes to the traction, so we are the winner of Web3 Gaming Week, which was organized by Jumpit and Google Cloud. We are the winner of Chainlink Fall Hackathon and Spheron Dabathon. It's been a couple of weeks since we like went live on like testnet, and 130 plus projects have already downloaded and integrated Link SDKs. Over 60 plus games are now live on Link portal, and 300 plus contracts have been deployed via Link SDKs and Link deployer. And we have our like amazing gaming partners. The list are like huge, but we are like showing some of them over here, like Zuraverse, Born to Die, Souls of Meta, Lumos Lab, We Are Playing, and Convival. And if you ask me like why we have built this, so our journey started when we became the victim, when we have been like like when we were like trying to launch our first Web3 game in 2021. Before that, me and Shanu have been building hyper casual games where I was designing games and Shanu was developing games. And in 2021, we decided to create our first Web3 game after playing Avagotchi. And then we got to know that there are like so many challenges and friction, and we are solving those frictions via Link. These are like some of the testimonial and recognitions which we have got, some of the feedback of Link from the developers and founders. And that's all from our side. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. We are happy to answer. And thank you so much again for this amazing opportunity. And yeah, let's link for more details.
Are we gonna do questions? Questions? We're gonna do. Okay, thank you, Link. We do have probably like a minute left, so if we have any questions regarding this project, we're here to go. So does anyone have any questions for Link? Okay.
Yeah, Team Link, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm Eric. I'm from Udo, one of our builder of voices. So I'm really impressed that you're using wonderful solutions from Bioeconomy, Squid, or Kado Money. But it seems Kado Money don't support voices and XPLA for now. So do you have any plan to support on-ramp and off-ramp as you just wrote on project description and yeah.
So for the on-ramp and off-ramp, am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So we are very much close with Transact and other on-ramp, off-ramp solution because I think Transact is supporting 150 plus chains. So we can definitely have a chat with them and ask them if they are not supporting Expla, then get the support of Expla in the on-ramp and off-ramp solution to be added in the Link ecosystem.
And at the same time, like we do have the poker fund partnerships already in place, and they do are like supporting a couple of chains at the moment, including ourselves.
Yeah, was helpful. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So that'll be it for Link.